We're going to open this up for a brief question and answer. You can ask the cast anything you would like about their, come on, y'all sit down where you can, their experience with the production, anything, any questions you have. Feel free to, look at that's it. To ask anything you would like, if you have. We love to keep it open for about 10, 15 minutes. What did you think about this production? Anybody?
Oh, no, talking. Nobody.
Did they kill Miss Charlotte? I'm serious. Is that her daughter? She brought her back there for all the harm she did? Or was she going back there to dig up her daughter's body? Which one was it?
Well, she's my daughter. Was she at Hope? That's why she recognized me. Whether or not I'm in that backyard or who we are finding in that backyard, y'all gonna have to stay tuned.
So if you guys want to share anything about your experience, this is the first time we've had 4 brand new people. So let's start. Whoever wants to jump in.
Nia, did you find a man?
No, but I have a vibrator.
All right, so I'll share. I'll take the accent off now, because sometimes you have it on too long. So I did audition this time around. This is my first time here with the Realm. This is my first time doing a speaking role on a stage. And I tell everybody who asks what it's like, you know, it's a very different experience having so many beautiful and powerful women around you and encouraging you and being just so open and free to allow you to be who you have to be is really a great thing here with these women that I've known. Most of them I met some new ones, so it's really good. And
Welcome. Dr. Sydney. My name is Grace. I have no idea how to be a doctor, but I had to learn how to take posts. Take somebody post. I had to come out of my bubble, so to speak, to get really personal. It's really weird to kind of just be somebody else and kind of exhibit feelings and behaviors that you don't normally do.
So you're not a poly dominatrix?
We're just gonna have to find out.
So before we move on, I want one person to join us on the stage, and that's Cherie Sutton. Woo! I could not see her from here, and I had to ask Jackie, did she leave? But Cherie was our audience for just about every rehearsal, and so we couldn't stand up here without her.
So I'll speak next. There are people here in the audience who know me for a long time. I just met a lot of you. And I will say this has been one of the most courageous things I've ever done outside of having a child. And I will tell you that I have never been more comfortable, more safe and secure to share my personal information with people who I did not know. When you have been crossed and betrayed, that is not easy. It's not easy to put on an emotion instantly, like Grace said, that you don't normally do. This has been one of the best experiences of my life, and I was super shocked when Miss Ruby said, "No, don't give her the script, you belong here." I was like, what she mean? I never acted before, I never did that, and I don't talk loud, and I talk in a group, but like I am on fire and I want to continue in any space where I will use my voice. Somebody has gone through what I've gone through. I'm still here.
You got it.
I won't give up, and I want to thank every and anybody who has supported me and been praying for me along the way. I appreciated all the love, the genuine love. That's right. I appreciate that, and you taught me a lot. You taught me a lot in 8 weeks. All of you.
Hello everybody, I'm Flo. I am one of the newest members on the cast and also in the Ruby round. I did walk into my audition with a lot of confidence. I did, but then Nessa here asked me a question that no one in my 30 years of living has ever asked me before, and it forced me to be as real as possible with myself and with the people that I was answering the question with. And I must have shown a lot of emotion during that question because I was chosen. And during the 8-week process that we've had, we've gained family, because I would now call you guys my family. We've done spent too many Sundays together. But I would have to say that this is definitely a wonderful experience that I have had the opportunity to be a part of. Ms. Ruby, I don't know how I would thank you for allowing me to release those text messages that you text me in the morning, that you be so real with me, and you don't let nothing slide by. But I really appreciate you 100%, and I love you, and thank you for allowing me to be a part of your production. To the cast, I'll text y'all in the morning.
Mary? So here's something that I need to tell you guys that's important. We don't call each other by our real names. And so even when I was thinking about introducing everyone, I said to Jackie, look in the folder. Their names are in the folder. Because we go by our character's name to the fact where I heard Evan, here's Charlotte saying, what's your real name on Facebook? We can't find each other. So, Mary.
It was different for me getting into Mary's character this time around. One thing I will say about Miss Val is that we don't know what is going to be what with our characters until we see the script. So I wasn't in the last production, Snakes in the Grass, for those of you that have followed the story, but I was mentioned. However, I was in the one before that, which is Days Like These, and in that one, Mary was God. Now, 2 productions later, Mary is coming out. And honestly, that was something that I had struggled with because I'm like, okay, how am I going to portray this because that's not who I am. And then it's like I really had to become the character that Miss Val created for Mary because while that may not be me, that is somebody's story. Somebody out there is afraid to tell their parents, to tell their family. They're afraid of being rejected. Someone out there doesn't have a connection with their mom. I know that you guys have seen that there's not really a connection between Mary and Nessa. However, she does have a connection with my twin brother Kai. So, you know, back and forth, you know, you see I'm trying to go like that and she's like, oh, I gotta go check on somebody. And so it's like Mary keeps on trying and she keeps on trying. So, you know, and then also she was very aggressive
towards flow. So it's like, you know, you just see a lot of things that I really had to become, and I felt it wasn't until like probably like this week I finally got it. It's like everyone saw it, especially Queenie. Oh my goodness. The conversations with Queenie, how she helped me, how we sat up there, we talked in the car, and we practiced in her shop. And you know, she had us on the phone and we doing Zoom calls. Okay, no, everybody go back and do it again. Now do it again. No, I need you to do this. You have to be this, you know. And it's just really important that we all became who Miss Val created us to be.
Here you go, and then Nessa.
Okay, Queen is not the villain. Not a villain, you know. Just can't have her talking everything. My mom, I don't know where she showed up from and who dropped her off. But she just can't be talking so much. We're gonna have to talk about that. But this production, it's been a great experience because the first one that I was in, me and Nessa, my daughter-in-law, we did not get along. And, you know, I battled with, you know, I didn't want to be the villain in every production that we're just like, at each other. But, you know, what I really like about this production that we started coming along and, you know, we're starting to be more connected as a unit. And this journey has been so different because we're all women up on this stage. And this is a story of every woman. We all have had, some one of us have had these experiences, you know, either gay, poly, working at home, half dressed, looking for a man in a vibrator. Poly, thinking about opening new doors and, ooh, you know, we all have done that. So when we think about it, this story is every woman. You know, this is every woman. You have connected with one of us in some way. One of us some way have connected with you guys. And that was the vision that Ruby had. And I hope you all got the message because it was a great thing to work, a great production to work with. And we had a great time. And I love every last one of these ladies up here. They're family, they're not just cast members. We are just like family, you know, and we welcome you guys to come join us again wherever, if we're in Rubyville, Redding, wherever we're located, we'll be front and center stage.
Nessa is my glue. She holds it together. I'm not going to repeat some of the things that go on behind the scenes from Nessa. But just know that they are encouraging. Yes, encouraging. So, come on.
The realm is transformational. The reason why it's so intimate is because you have to peel back your own layers in order to portray another person's story. And a lot of times we don't know what's down deep until we have to play it for somebody else. And then you realize, oh shit, I know what this is. I'm familiar. This is that pain that I have not been dealing with. That is what happens at the realm. You can't be here on this stage portraying these types of situations without dealing with your own self. And that's the beauty of it. That's why no one ever leaves. Because you come and in that transformation, you grow together. You kind of melt into each other because everyone grows through each story. And it is intimate because it's just us at rehearsal. So whatever needs to be peeled away for you to portray that character, we peeling it. So don't come into audition saying you ready, you not, because I'm gonna test you. I need you to be at your best. And that's just the best part of this is
how many new people we have. And that's always awesome because you get to watch people grow. You don't watch yourself grow, you kind of arrive at moments, but to actually be able to sit back and watch people go from, I can't do this, I don't know these lines, to telling you what your line is. Or to helping you remember, or to encourage you to pull your part out. And it's a beautiful thing, it's a beautiful process, and I'm just very appreciative of the love of family. Because this picture is of me and my late husband. We didn't have a Marcus, and we needed a picture. And so I said, okay, Eric is gonna be Marcus. And in that, we honor him. We honor ancestors. That's important. We say their names, we repeat it, because rubiness is everywhere. And rubiness is releasing unlimited balm yourself. That is what happens when you come to the realm and you're a part of it. You learn how to release your unlimited balm. It is my hope that we have touched you in some way and that you're able to open yourself up or have a discussion about something that you haven't talked about in a long time, but you need to. Release that. Unlimited balm yourself. And thank y'all for coming.
To my phenomenal queens, Sunday, tomorrow will not be the same at 3 o'clock. You will not be. We have had a shift in the atmosphere. I thank you. I thank you for your love. I thank you for your time. I thank you for your presence. I thank you for your rawness from my spirit to yours. I look forward to coming back to Rubyville, to Reading, to wherever we travel. I look forward to you all coming back with us as we continue to tell the stories that need to be told. We'll have another production either in October or November, preferably right here. But I look forward to Queens coming together because, as we say, our toast is to what?
To women.